Guys, the market has been abusing my trading bots all week long, just as it pleased. As a result, some of them ended the week in the red, while others finished the week in the black. And thanks to the tremendous power of diversification, my intraday softcore index, which consists of 10 trading bots, has managed to hold out so far and finish the week without any trading drawdown. Of course, there was no profit either, but in today's unpredictable market, not having a loss is already a very good result. As you can clearly see in this demonstration, the new value of the index remains exactly the same as the previous one. This occurs because if you carefully add up the total profit and the total loss, the final result comes out to exactly zero. So, looking at the bigger picture, you can observe in this detailed table that exactly half of my active trading bots showed a positive profit, while the other half, unfortunately, showed a corresponding loss. And so, as a final result, the index ended up finishing with a flat 0% return. Now, as for the individual trading bots, the absolute best performer was the Cornelius trading bot, which I originally launched just about a week ago and subsequently added to the index for tracking. It delivered 7.5% growth. Also, once again, the one-man army double shot portfolio is showing good results. As for Cornelius, it showed a beautiful upward trend throughout the week, and its trading drawdown is less than 1%. Let's see how it performs going forward. But for now, I believe in its potential because I put a very good algorithm into it. As for the double shot portfolio, at the beginning of this week, it reached its first target mark of 100% profit. And as of today, its profitability chart looks as follows. This month alone, it has already earned a 14.5% profit. A good result, but let's get back to trading. So, for those of you who might not have had a chance to watch my previous reviews yet, let me take a moment to explain exactly what this is all about. I have personally created what I call the Intradaysoft Core Index, which is a specialized system that, inside it, there are 10 trading bots operating. All these trading bots are placed on different trading accounts. These trading accounts are being monitored here in my signals on the MQL5 portal. Here are those 10 trading bots. There are actually even more because there are also bots published here that I haven't activated yet. In the index, they're still too new. You can also track my trading statistics on the website myfxbook.ru, where here we also have all these monitoring accounts. What do I do? I am currently using an automated trading bot, and when I go through the process to create this performance report, I carefully select the exact reporting period, which in this case is the full duration of the last week. For us, that's April, and for the period, I choose from April 13th to April 19th. I run the analysis and get the statistics showing that the trading bot gave me a 7% growth. I also take other results and create this kind of summary statistics. Then, using ChatGPT, I calculate a new value, index.core. And all these statistics from all the trading bots is summed up, and I get a new value, core index. So last week I broke even. But you can see that the index is growing. That is, all these trading bots that I have here in my portfolio, together they bring a stable profit. And the strength of diversification lies in the fact that because they deliver different trading results, every week my trading capital gradually grows. Of the trading bots that I have currently published and that are now included in the index, the total trading capital is about $30,000. These are the ones that participate in the index. Also, I have trading bots that are not yet included in the index but are in the laboratory stage. That is, I watch them and track their trading statistics. Let's say there is a trading bot called Grabber Automat. Right here, you can see it is growing. It is, well, at the very beginning of the process, starting from 0%. profit. That is, it brought in less than 1%, but if it is good, it shows itself. In the future, a month or two will pass. I will see that its trading statistics have gone through several market phases, and in our presence, it has resulted in profits. I will include it in the core index portfolio. Nowadays, each trading system has its own weight. This ranges from 5% to almost 15% of the capital size within the index. That is, each trading bot has its own capital size. From time to time, I carry out a redistribution. But let's get back to the index itself, to the trading results, because this week, there was once a particularly bad boy, and that's the Scopoli automated trading bot, which actually brought me as much as quite a lot of profit. A 5.5% loss. And unfortunately, as a direct result of that decision, my entire investment portfolio ended up being completely wiped out to zero. If it weren't for this bot's incredibly poor result, because look, every single one of the other trading bots that were in the red had total losses of approximately 1%, or about that much. 2%, so that's not much. Those that were in profit, on the contrary, gave more than 2% thanks to, which is essentially the fundamental reason why the index was able to gradually and steadily crawl upward and managed to remain just a tiny bit, just a very minute and insignificant fraction of a percent above zero. But I did it, rounded the results, did it here. Zero. So that's what every trading bot has. When you look closely at their financial situation, their total capital size and accumulated savings are still sitting at a mere 3%, which effectively means they are at 3,000. This represents a total of 12% overall. And that is precisely the reason why he decided to pull the entire portfolio down to a lower level, but in the end, it is actually okay. All of the other automated trading bots managed to successfully diversify his various losses across the board. And as a result, I was able to stay completely afloat during the market shift. It is my sincere hope that this upcoming week will usher in a period of substantial growth, because Shark FX has finally started to show signs of life and momentum, which in general already demonstrates a series of very promising statistics. It functions and operates consistently with an exceptionally low level of trading drawdown. But interestingly enough, this month, when compared directly to the previous month, it has actually made a substantial profit of 13%. This month, it's hardly giving anything. But the Jackal system has come alive. This particular situation, which, when compared directly to last month, is showing a very positive and encouraging outlook this month. And most likely, this will be the next trading bot that I will publish on the MQL5 market. I have officially made the decision to release my automated trading bots to the public on a regular schedule of approximately once every single month. So now, if you filter out the indicators and select only the experts, right now I have this many trading bots. In the future, all the trading bots from this portfolio will be published on the MQL5 market. So guys, the index held up, the week was tough, there were some leaders, there were some bad guys, but the index held up, and I hope that next week I'll finally see some growth, because from this point on, we've had a bit of a trading drawdown. And of course, I want the index to shoot up. That's all for now. I won't take up more of your time. I know you have plenty to do, but pay attention. Diversification, in my view. It delivers excellent results. If I had only used the trading bot, just to remind you, it gave almost 6% profit. Right now, I'd be gloomily staring out the window thinking, why am I so unlucky? Why do I only have one lousy trading bot when instead I have a bunch of cool guys who are pulling the portfolio up? That's all for now. Until we meet again, I'm not saying goodbye,